Valley be one of them, a battery now, lower. Oh, battery now low. Oh. Good morning, dear Queen. Good morning, Sandy Blaze. Good morning, Honorable Uji Anthony. Chan Baba. Like Chan Baba, one of Madrid. Ijo is so one now. Set it up, Mamosa. Greetings, Sandra Mercy Kings. Money too, blessed money. Yes, ma'am. Oh, yeah. Good morning, Tinya Blessing Osikoya. Yes, man. Good morning to everybody. This is me, the Kokopri Master, the Weirdo Talk Show, the husband to all single mother. Good morning, Samuel Eva. Yeah, now good morning, everybody. I greet me. May I see use my local dog, see greet everybody. Everybody, wa lavize wa domo. Ethiopia tun o wa ya bo we dene na. Ibe la de dene na mi yen dene na yan we gwan kan. Munda itane we resume in every program me. Yana we kwa yi bude ne timani bi akebe timani o. And kemana mi ni agwan kan na Julie o samede den. Noga won mi no bi awo sun be Italy be ba na mi age kini o be pon bi apon mo wo ki wa ni America ni re Dublin no re Germany no re Roma no re so Italy wa ya no donate go na mi me ye ni Julie samede o wi an be pon mo wa ya wo wa we se we den na we go no wa re ni yen Undoni menu ya don aladia. So now this morning before I come to our women issue, we are want to celebrate today on the women where they value pastor more than their husband, on women where they call pastor daddy and then drive their husband more for her, and single mother where full churches for Europe where business they drive their men and then they call pastor daddy, and on their church on the form holy where the father of your pikin you jam for outside you dey go church God no dey answer your prayer unless you call the man come one. Na so e be for men wey neglect their wife say because no wan carry their responsibility no church wey you dey go na beba church God no go answer. First of all, before I talk about those women where I want this, go out there, I want to let them know things. We are here to talk to is back and life and direct. This is me, the Kokopedi Master Husband to all single mother. At single mother must marry. Now me talking, all women must be loyal, must give respect to their husband, and men must carry out their responsibility as a man. Because now make I come and come talk this thing. So make una hear. Okay? My health is good. Thank you, Sandy Blaze. So today, I want to talk make Julie Osamede there. Una remember the woman where they see where the TV clinic for Italy. We're going to see where most of our good sister donate money. Apart from one boy, now I donate money for that woman. I know everybody will send me money. Take donate, give the woman. I say God will bless all of una. I say anything you wanna put in hand go better for una. You will be single mother for us. We see donate money. God will give you a good husband. We go take you like egg. We not go make you become second single mother. Man, we not go wrong, leave you. Man, we go owe you, go pamper you. As you turn up now, we donate that money. We be single mother. Both way there, make all day doubling. Now, so as I talk, now so it go God go be because I don't go Nigeria, I don't come back. That gift of prophecy, where God don't kick all, don't come back to me again. So that anything where I talk again, go they come to pass. If I say may you run mad, you go run mad. If I say may you do excel, you go to excel. But I don't wish anybody to run mad. My own are for everybody to better. May we excel. May we possess what it goes. May we come possess. May I not be destroyed. I they wish me good because why? Me I don't want person wish me bad. Me I wish people good. So that if you wish me bad, I'll take them back to sender. Now I make all those condemn people. If they wish me bad, I'll laugh because I know say the bomb go return to them because as I talk and that's where they be. So I want to appreciate those women who donate money. So now the woman want read appreciate you now. Julius Amede is there. You want to thank all of you now. May I give my color? But she want to appreciate all of you now. Knows that boy will be the only boy will donate. My brother, I tell you, send your document and go give you. I don't know you physically. You day camp now, camp you day now. If you donate money, I tell you from the midst of it possible, God will make it possible for you. That guy, I remember all of the way donate. You will bring your pocket, you keep out. Now so God take the bless. Not be who carry go give pastor, go tithe, offering. No. Now who see person where they in need, you help her. Now there God they bless you. But many people don't know how to give. They ought to say, I go to a checking hands. That's why women go check hands, give pastor. Pastor go touch in hands. After pastor say, see me private, he go loy, go vandalize her. Well, shall me have heard? Mon affair here from Julie. Samedi there. Make you appreciate everybody. Good morning, Josephine Areva. Yeah, let me call the woman because she tell me I told her I shouldn't bother today. She will talk to appreciate everybody. She called me that at last say, whenever I enter program, let me call her before I come talking about the issue I want to talk about. Then she appreciate those that this woman number she call just now. Now she they call me, I don't understand. If I call the number, you know go they go. Oh no, yeah, that play where she did, they like her. They call now. Amen. Thank you, Sandra Mercy King. You know, but I go they call, they go. If she call me, he go come. Me try the WhatsApp. I don't understand that kind of place. Me go call, go. She will call me, he go come. I don't understand that place. Me I call her for WhatsApp. Good morning, lovely Cynthia Numa. Call her WhatsApp. Her WhatsApp they go. I will call her direct. Call you ma. Call you ma. So he line there so that no more be up momo. No way you be pull out we are we you born but we see we be no jena and no small or sell. He line in there uye bogwan uye dogwan because when most of them so what we do is really we do the man even that way you go remind so what can you
kakabo me aka pon wele e fe yi adana gbo wi na o sa lo bo o afian gbo o
ise
o pe mi ame ye ko wa ki bi o wa o
ise
no ri ari ije ya di no de kun
ise
wo pan.
Isa.
Ayi packet we yo aye.
Isa.
We on we mi an ya.
Isa. Isa.
Ibi ke Mario boy adagi mo do boya o gbe o.
Isa o.
Wa ki na wo no o ki na ha wo wa no.
Isa.
Oda o ga wo o.
Isa.
Ba to pe
Isa, what's it?
Ibi ado ni ro wa, ibi ado ni risi. Wa ya we se we gbe we. Ke no wi yo bo me, ke no ma wi yo bo me. E po no wa keri wo ni re. O sa lo ba ga vun enu wa o.
Isa.
E so fun ye.
Isa.
Wa ya we se we gbe we.
Isa.
Ito ha to wa ile ko ya we ale ku wa o.
Isa.
We bo na no wa we re na. Wa gi gbe wo su wa we re we bo.
Isa.
Wa no wa ya re gi wa fu wa o.
Isa.
Aba atokpe
Isa. Ube English ita. That way so no donate wo. Na ye do. When so America so na Dublin yan ye so we do wo. Ube English ya mo mi an ni be.
My people, why are we say we o adoniro wa adoniro.
Iwe nu bi ebo PG ye PG Edo we gbe ata ije. Ye broken English ata una we put small we donate for me.
My people we dey America. Una do well o. God go bless una.
Awe dey Dublin.
America, Italy, Spain,
Dublin.
All the whole Europe. Who do good for me with one way not still do. God go bless all of una.
Amen.
God go fill una pocket. They no will packet any of una go house. They no will from Nigeria. Send bad message come from una. Na so front una go they go. Anything una put hand, you go the fortune for una. In Jesus' name.
Amen.
Amen.
So this is our sister, Madam. He said, "Yeah, call you mouse. This is our sister, Julius Amede. You know, call you. Wo na help. Call you ma. Where say you ma? You go on Ghanaian. Ya go work. Call you. Where say? Samu never go.
Okay.
Okay. Call you. Where say?
He said.
Oh yeah.
You know, I come on.
Yeah. Where say?
Bye.
He said,
yeah. Ciao.
Yeah, this now Julius Amede. They know before I travel go Nigeria, most of them donate money where we can't give her. You understand? Those of now nothing to be no way donate. Now she can't pray for now. Among now women donate. Now women me do job past. Now no say our men. Most of them they know they donate, but if not to see the one way they want vandalize now that one don't donate. Stingy. We those are men now those one be change men. They not donate. Now let women donate. And I make at the culture women they be responsible women. And they trade them, but now see most men now don't wayward. Now see most men for you they not go for they not go back because of what they not get good at. They own how to play control, job women wrong. Give Jessica Bele wrong. Give Sarah Bele wrong. Give Anna Bele wrong. Give Mira Bele wrong. Give Stephanie Bele wrong. Now most men be to help. They know the help. But if they scream where to collect money, then go there. I know now they make at the culture women because they are our mama. Now make and want make una live a good life. Make you be not vandalize una because these are the things. Only one man now donate for this woman. And I this woman can appreciate una. Those that man God go bless you. All of now we put money take help Julius Amede there. Anything una put out will go better for now. Now front una go dey go. As I talk and I say go be. Because I bless una today. And my blessing shall remain permanent. Because today the God say may I bless those people who remove hand from their purse to help our sister with the hospital. I know first now they use their mind. I don't know the facial. But when we did Dublin, America send come, Italy send come, Germany send come. But most of the way yours they call me that time. Where yours call me. Now someone send money. Those who are not send those are the condemned single mother. They just use me by call me for program. Make people say they want to do. Those who are will call me. They not send to make una know all those one are 419. Those one are cassava na kokobiri dem dey find. Like say I tell them now, say come kokobiri dey for now. They go send money. Na be those one wey you call me. Una hear those words wey talk say if mama say na come tell the woman you yam you ya no anyhow. If mama yam you if madamo if mo esera mo amamia mo emene. Ofe those one nothing wey they do. More than all your mind those one. Those women wey just dey call, they no do anything. Na because na those words they call that day. They just dey call with that word you say better person. Na those one be Kokobiri Financial Association because they don't want to make the up say who see that way say ọmọ náà bẹ wí yóò bọ ọmọ o wà ẹsẹ yìí hàn ẹ òfin yẹn wà ẹ yà ní wí yóò bọ wí ni wà á sìn dẹgbẹ náà wà á képe yẹn yà èyà ní wà àwọn ọ̀nù ṣíṣì they no do. Na see so my people na make I come tell una today say it's lucky to be say blessed is the hand that giveth from the one that taketh. Yes, this is Kokobiri Master. Thank you everybody. Yeah, I don come for today program. This is me Uyedo Talk Show. Wan talk on our women wey be say e value pastor more than their what husband. Our women wey take pastor as gold. Our women wey take pastor as king. Our women wey dey call pastor daddy and their husband they all dey call am daddy. They throway their husband put for one corner. They dey call pastor daddy. Now make una see this thing. Most women for Europe you will see most of them pastor never ask them wetin make you be single mother. Pastor never cancel dem say to marry. But many of our women na dem be choir for church, na dem be prayer warrior for church, na dem dey sweep, na dem be usher, and these women dem throway their husband their baby father dey put am throway for one corner because of government money. And these same women na dem dey lead down for pastor daddy, and these same women na dem dey call pastor no isa. Before pastor talk one they will say sir, but those women don't know say dem dey put cost upon themselves because as the pastor is the father of what the head of the church, so your husband is head of you and your husband is head of you and your husband is even superior more than the pastor. Most people don't know how God take make man. God make man the head, not be the tail. Why be say most women come make men their husband become tail for home. They can't use their husband turn to slippers for us. If you see most men now, shame not let them talk for where their wife dey. Why? E get where go talk the wife if he reach out to the slap or the man go kneel down for us. Because if una know our women are good when they tell they use koti they threaten our men. They use ogbalegbe koti police say they threaten our men. If you talk I'll call police for you. But that one not guarantee man make you beat your wife. Say because no. It is better when a woman not dey loyal to you. You tell your family. And the family not fit talk to the woman. And the woman come from saying I be the head of the home to the family. My dear, meet the pastor of the church. If the pastor not sit talk to the woman see they do that one. I not dey pray for divorce. I dey want make man and woman dey. My dear, fear me. I speak in tongue, fear me. Everyone fear me. Because I know fear me ere. Because our women Don't use many men turn to slave. Our women don't condemn many men destiny. Our women don't make many men turn to houseboy. Our women don't make many men become drunkard. Our women don't make many men assassinate themselves. Our women don't make many men come dey kolo for street. Our women don't make men not fit come turn to death and throw in the midst of his friends. Now I come give this advice to women wey know say this thing dey your body. You dey maltreat your husband. You dey maltreat your husband and you value pastor more than your husband. You go church, you go kneel down for pastor. You go church, you go kneel down for pastor. But when you reach house, you no go fit tell your husband, "Honey, good afternoon, honey, obowa." No, you go pass your husband. But when you dey church, you turn to holy. But the man wey dey house, wey put you for house, the man can't turn to slave. He no go fit talk to you. No, women. They say women are home builder. How they going to become home builder? Now for you to go kneel down for pastor, they bow down for pastor, become home builder. And I want make all men know this one. I'm gonna take this one. Any woman when you marry for us, if buy the pastor picture and the white picture carry for your house, as a man, tear that picture. Take my word. If you are a man, you marry a woman for us, and the woman carry, if he buy something where they put pastor and the wife put for neck, if carry the thing put for you, go ask am whether na you take the picture, na me when you marry take the picture, or na Pastor Suleiman take the picture, or na Yedipo take the picture, or na Adeboye take the picture. If you see and say na your wife put for neck, collect am, you tell. Your woman need to adore you as a man. Now your picture is supposed to not be pastor, or you go put Jesus Christ, pastor not be Jesus Christ. Pastor not see for himself. Our women are not taking pastor and see pastor as Jesus Christ. No. God don't send me come talk the good thing, tidy to the world. Any man wey see past women for Europe, put picture, pastor picture, na be whichever way they put for neck, wey put for head, because you see all the night they put. My dear, as a man, if you dey friend the woman, you propose her, tell her, either you choose who here we said, who will you marry, either me or Suleiman. Now you want my put for neck, you tell me. If you are having a culture with any woman, you see her say put her, either the woman choose you, or you go follow the pastor. No marry such women. Those are the women when you marry them, no they respect you for us. They respect pastor. I can never marry a woman. He's putting, he not be my picture, I put the pastor picture. Why are they? Why are they? Now pastor they call be you. And if you see those women, if pastor touch on their body, you go be like slave na their husband touch them. Make una notice women for church. If pastor talk, I go say, "Daddy," more than feed that touch, check that touch well. Any woman for church, they watch women. If pastor touch, you can say, "Daddy," automatically the woman is feeling the current. If they take for inside, make una watch women. But if the husband caution, hey, women not go even feel anything. The husband touch am, but when the pastor touch you, hey, God bless you, the only touching, you go sit woman say, "Daddy, thank you, sir. Good evening." That as if that pastor now is supposed to be your daddy. My dear, una see wetin dey go on for the world. We have millions of fake pastors. We have real one. Don't misquote me. We have genuine one. the genuine one crowd not dey follow them. Why the one wey don vandalize the choir, e don torture all the married women finish for inside church, you see crowd. E don go do kind say don bury people for their church underground, na dem crowd dey follow. You see Jesus Christ drive private jet? You see Jesus Christ carry bodyguard? Jesus Christ was walking with the leg and with us. Pastor dey buy private jet and ten ants, and the member are ten ants suffering. The member no fit pay pikin school fees. The member no fit eat food for belle. But all of them donate give pastor. The pastor eat all the money. He go come dey brag. You see them when they start, they will be preaching cool mind, but when they don't enrich themselves, they go dey brag. My dear, if you are a woman, you value pastor more than yourself. Examine yourself, cross-check yourself. Your husband na be your what? Your prophet. Your husband na be the author of the finished line of your faith in all. God make you understand what say you have the power. If only ye can believe. He say if you have a faith like a mustard seed, you can talk to this mountain. Come on, live there. Go to that thing. Because you have the power. Wetin matter? Pray. Sit down, pray. Don't let this fake pastor they deceive you. They are ask the miracle wey they don't do. My people, let's come together. Let's reason together. Which miracle pastors? Look all the pastors. You get blind person for your street. You don't see they see miracles. They don't heal them. You see deaf and dumb. They don't heal them. They go carry person for Sokoto. They say they heal them for Benin. They go carry person for Kapcha. They say they heal them for Benin. They go carry person from Benin. They go put them for Sokoto. They say they heal them for Sokoto. My dear, these are fake. Now may God make us know. He said it is easy for the eye of a camel to pass through a needle downwards, a rich man to enter to the kingdom of God. Why? All these church prophetess, they are enriching themselves, pastors. My people, those of now where they go church, where they go church, where be say una no dey respect una mouth for us, and una respect pastor, cause dey upon una. It is written. Cause you are placing cause upon yourself. You are placing cause upon yourself. When excuse me, let me take water. Excuse me, I need water. I need water. Yeah, I need water. So, what am I insinuating? Any man where you the friend girl and the girl dey respect you, on Sunday he carry Bible dey go church, my dear, the prayer God no dey answer. Women know this one. Woman must know wetin I dey vex for pastor. Country where single mother full well, like France, Germany, Dublin, all this country where you see say our Nigerian women decided to remain single. UK, you know why our Nigerian women, why? Pastor, no, they ask them where the father of your kids. A pastor will be encouraging a woman to remain single. This pastor get wife for us. Those women now they think you are a single woman, single mother. You they go to carry off with the give pastor. Pastor they call you not ask you say you need to marry. You not ask you say you need to call back the baby of the husband, the baby of your child. But the pastor they pray out for you. He they pray for you. He they pray for you. Say you will be rich. He not pray for you for a life partner. My dear, that pastor is they collecting money to the rich himself. Like Germany now, most pastor, Nigeria pastor for Germany, their mission to women to remain single, so that if they collect the money, or if they see any either enter Germany, where sabi play drum, he sabi play trumpet, he sabi play guitar, you go they give them those single mother. Make una go most churches for Germany. Una notice now say all those idare na they vandalize those single mother wey pastor they give them. Pastor they introduce single mother to another person to vandalize and make a single mother base. Why? It's a very, very wrong thing. Oh, my name is Guarafie, to go and emoji. Any woman who is single that does not have a husband, you got no respect. Because why? Who care you to? Any man can come in and come out. Any man can come in and come out. Come in, come out. It still be like women wey dey Ugbagwe. When I remember, any woman, when I take this word, whether you like it or not, that is the real thing. A woman who there is difference between Mrs. and Miss. Mrs. is different from Miss. What's that word? Mrs. Miss. Mrs. Efei is different from Miss Sophia. Now, there is a respect given to a married woman. Remember, when you are married, you get the way man be want talk to you, but you go look your husband eye. Because if you talk with you not supposed to talk, your husband feel paro. My wife, this man insulted my wife. He go vex. He will not take it lightly with you. He will call, waiting lead to you to pour insult on my wife. Women, una we decided to the say pastor daddy, una no get husband, and the pastor wetin pay me pass. When the pastor is banding and casting, you go the band here. Hey, Rakapa, so I band this demon. I band that spirit of badness, every spirit of, you know, tell you so. Which one be the band spirit of badness? You want to make it become that single mother? Person don't marry your hand, marry you. Are you married? But you never see life partner. Because most single boys wey come to vandalize single mother, then they take male receipt. They don't want me to carry belle for them. Make them spend light. Because they don't want you to carry belle. Women get this thing. So women they go out with man, don't say they never carry belle. They never carry belle. You think say those young boys no get sense? A young boy will prevent himself, make you no carry belle. No say the boy know what they do. The boy want to see color B, go. Because Coco breed the color B and go. So the Nigerian boy no say he no fit marry you for us. Where pastor suppose he go touch here. Ask many women when they go church now. How can a pastor is touching a woman breast? Hey, God, I touch it. If they touch the breast, ask whether the pastor they feed the nipple. Pastor they touch. Later, he go say, pastor say, the womb, as he pull out for here, where the hand they go the clean toe. See how this one go the clean toe. the pastor feel the deepness of the clean toe. As he tune up for here, what shall see my hand here? Where this one go? He just direct go sample for there. Now then the pastor say, he go press am well. The pastor dey pressure make it touch the clean toe. We go say, I pray you are in the press. Wetin dey press? And the woman go dey feel am. Yes, here. No, this single wayward single mother. Don't say, Pastor, Lord, feel me. Pastor, feel me. Pastor, feel you. From there, the pastor will call you. To know, he will call you for counseling, private counseling. During that private counseling, he go begin cancel the breast. Go tap and where he go cancel here. At the end, the woman go do like this. Go open her down. He go knock her. Una go forget say pastor no pray for you make you see life partner. If they pray for you, make they give her money, make you rich. Nadia, that is why you see most pastors are killing people, using their fellow brother for rituals, their sister for ritual, their loved one for ritual, their mother, because they want their church money to come. Any pastor that preach prosperity run away from that churches. My people, I can't tell that today. Our women, where they go church, we just a crack, they go church. They go church. They go church. You don't respect your man. Sunday you go church. What the pastor want go do? We don't know. You see all these pastors, they are all young boys. Some caviars, you are caviar. Your sister go line the beers. When the pastor don't feel you finish, you go tell the guy, the co-pastor, you say, man, I feel that mama Annabelle, that my baby is sweet. He's sweet. You know, say, now man and man, pastor say, hey, God, this is not a good thing. And if your sister, maybe they go church, they go, they go turn her again. When pastor they preach, they go they dance, they check here because they know say the pastor eyes is upon them. See many single mother na cause more sin for the world. And when you tell now, if you know, not be the one way be widow, if you know you drive your husband, you are vandalized by Kokobiri, now you cause problem for the world. Because single mother are the problem we are facing now in Europe. We need to cure them. Yes. Because they must get married, because it has come to my notice that they are increasing in Germany. Then they increase again. Then they just increase, they multiply. Why are you multiplying? Instead of you for me to come from Nigeria to be rejoicing, say many don't marry. I know they see marriage from una hand. I know they see marriage. They use a cost now. Say una want live alone. And nobody they happy. Make a turn on one thing. Wake una know. Any woman will leave the husband, and women make una know what una know. Remember this time you were chasing that man. You were praying to get married. God, make him marry me. Make him marry me. But after the man don't marry you, you decided to push the man away to become a single mother. Most of them will do, and make I tell now the secret, those of them where they married home. If you now see these people, many of them are regretting today, but they can't tell you the truth. Most single mother are regretting because why the man can come back. They use the hand, drive waiting God give them. You will be crying, God, I want to marry. On the marriage, you see women go to dance. Now they dance part. They go check Daniel. They go check the body. But it's a few years later. Now so the man no good. But this is the man you were praying, God, give me life partner. God give you life partner. He give you man, may you cherish and adore the man. But because you say the man not the try for bed, or because say government money, you use your hand, push the man away. But you forget when this man they approach you, you say, God, make him marry me. You were happy, I want to marriage. But I can't go. Most of these women are regretting. Majority are regretting because they are being vandalized by Kokobiri. And when they come pay me pass for these women, who no rich, now can just jump on top of them. Who no rich? Who know who is? No, now you tell her the truth. Look, most of the single mother. Mona, look who they sleep with them. Mona, you check this the way I tell una so. Una see and say, person wey no reach to talk to them for Africa. We supposed to respect them. Our big sister. Now they climb, they jump on top. And when the boy go even they jump on top, you see give us that twa. No say during that disc na the boy come laugh. He say, "Wa gbọ́ bí on Cody, wa ye Cody, you be your how you have a gbọ́ listen there, wa be say wa be here. Wa be no we boys like get what we dey do, we get one style. Get one style. No say get sleep get too don't too e don too fun for you. The day when you dey yamara, when you dey knack am. You say no be the thing be this, it just say hey, if you dey do am maybe e pass me give am you do my like you better do am, you better do am, you better do am. Yeah, you know say baby you are feeling it, you love it, give am get tight. Because now she fool herself. That is why I say any woman wey refuse to stay in a matrimonial home, wey refuse to be submissive na so men go dey knack, go dey say see this way I go give you slap because you no get sense. Most of una wey be single una no wetin I dey talk so because una no wan clean husband house. Yes na when the man dey do am, no say the man dey go say mumu see mumu, no say ewe you go dey do, you go say see mumu wetin I want you to do. Single mother, yes single mother wey no wan stay husband house, you feel say na me go put you for her. You go by ask you baby do you love me, you say I love you baby, you sweet me, you go look you ewe what sweet you emugu me more you where you are. Wow, so I me down. More ewe be you na the kokobiri for the last. You no go know. You say baby how they go say how that go. You know baby then just say da. Women wey value pastors to wear their husband, you become a wayward single mother. Any woman wey no wan remain, I say una must marry. It's against our culture and tradition. E no even dey. Everybody dey pray to live a happy life with his husband. Now then you see women, they have to be trained to. And wetin dey pay me, most of these women now, they dey tie pampers. Most of these women dey tie pampers. If you see them now before they reach there, don peace. When I notice this, make you see women from here to say I want peace, I young woman. Here to here, I want peace. Here to here, I want peace. As they don't tell the woman valve. No, she get the gauge wey go reach. When the valve go clear, come pass as e suppose be. You come talk to her, hear you want person. Me I dey tell now. Any woman wey no wan respect, wey no wan become a responsible woman, may stay husband house. You are a condemned single mother. Okay, I can't tell you now. Make our women go back into their husband and stop to the go church, they call pastor daddy. Stop to the call pastor daddy. You call pastor daddy, you like that for pastor. Your husband, you no go like that for your husband. Your husband, you no go value your husband. The man where they go out, you go use man condemn the man. At the end, you go church say, daddy, but wetin the pastor no get wife. He wey no dey respect am. You are a wayward single mother if you know not this single. If you are a single mother, not today. Those of you wey push woman, you are a wayward single mother. If you know you go to church, think about your life. Does that pastor have wife? Is this pastor you are going to a church and the head of the church is married and you are a single mother? You call the wife mommy. Who were àti wẹ̀ mommy? Ẹ wo bí. Ya go lọ́dọ̀ wẹ̀ ya tí ó dàbò wẹ́nu yé la wa. Who you not calling a small girl, call small girl mommy. You call small boy daddy. Yeah, your husband be daddy. If any man wey see say he wife dey call pastor daddy, slap am if you reach house. Bobby, nonsense. You call only me daddy. No pastor. Pastor, why we call pastor daddy? Pastor, why we call pastor daddy? call him a pastor. And if you marry, or you dey afraid they carry pastor picture for neck. If they carry pastor picture for neck, remove that picture. Tell your wife, your woman, make you choose. If na your pastor you want choose, or na you want choose to carry pastor put for neck. If na pastor be Jesus, your pastor come dey advertise yourself with your wife on a picture. People are buying it, putting on neck. All means of selling or making money. Way of revenue to the pastor. My dear, if your girlfriend your girlfriend carry pastor picture, he put for neck, he mommy put for neck, collect that neck, collect am, take am make you clear am, collect am. Wait for what? He need to put you as the husband for neck. No be pastor you go buy, go put picture, go dey sell pastor put for neck. What the hell? That is why the world is full of sin, evil. That's why they put Jesus, they buy and they put for neck in the time of Jesus Christ. This pastor, because they know they are using fetish power. Those great tradition no good, Papa no good, but they went to seek power from these people. After collecting, but that is why they put their picture for neck, because they are not genuine people. A real genuine man of God cannot accept you to put him on his neck, put the cross on the neck. Now, pastor, you want to see where devil want on? It is the cross where Jesus was nailed. You can never put a man of God. If you put man of God, anyone will call himself man of God, you put the picture, you say, this your holy, you they say Holy Ghost, I don't give me on that like that. What be that man? That man where they vandalize now for church. You they put the picture for neck. My dear, my people, I want to send this message to our married women and our single mothers to stop taking pastor or valuing pastor more than your husband. It is a taboo and it's against humanity. Is pastor God? Is human like you. You have the same gift more than that man pastor who so call himself a pastor. Do you know if he's a genuine pastor? A pastor will lay hands on a married woman's breast and say he want cast demon. Now breast you for the cast demon. A man of God, he go see him go find a woman. He go say he want place hand from here. He go put hand and wash this my hand. He go say he want heal hand. He go put and tap the hand. This big one go the clean toe. He go say they pray. I ban those demons. And the pastor, he go play. He finger the woman like that. Make una notice some of this time when this pastor is doing, many women they come, they release. This one they clone and some gonna wash hand. When pastor they put hand for your belly, you watch this hand. This one, he enter the clito. He gonna say, I banned it in the tour. I banned it in the tour. I banned it. The woman say, in the sweet lady, I banned it. My dear, you see your husband or your girlfriend, pastor put one for here. He dey bad down. Say put one for belly. Come take her. He dey bad down. He dey do one. As they do not say then, I then clean today. So most times they do and the woman gonna feel am. Hey, not be that one make them they fall. So now here's the sweetness. They want to say, yeah, man. That the woman want come for one. Now that the woman they shake when that shall say sweetness na lie. Now that this hand now go touch there. The pastor do one where go put on those pastor. He for one. And then he think where the woman fall down. After I fall, the woman come with the woman. You can't use Cornelia look the pastor. Pastor, I don't tell her so. My office say most of this pastor few Nigerians. Many don't feel all the women finish for church. Don't feel all the women finish for church. Or don't feel all these women finish for church. If you see all these women now, pastor don't know the one way the queen they come, the one way they hard. If you see the one way they hard, now that pastor will tell and say, you will meet me for counseling. Because pastor no say this one not go say for counseling. You will meet, you have a counsel 3 days counseling. Now lie. Pastor no say he never get the hit point where pastor want to know. Pastor want know the main place where the woman the hit point. So most nowadays, make una tell me a good wife, a good woman. Most of the pastors don't spoil many marriages for Europe. Many marriages is caused by pastor. A pastor touch you, this problem for your matrimonial. I dey tell na this me I tell na today. If una take am, una go say the spirit is in me. I told you people, I have come to act positively in human life, not to act negatively. I want to bring changes. I want everybody to know his right from his left. Because the Bible will make us say by their fruit we shall know them. Single mother is increasing. No pastor is preaching women should get married. They are preaching about wealth, finance, wealth. You will be rich. But why are they not asking these women, why are you single? Why can't you call your husband? And it's against in the Bible, do not divorce your wife. If you will divorce for a reason, you will remain alone for a long time. I'll tell the reason before you're divorcing. He said, even though your wife will commit adultery, if it is on your mind to forgive, you forgive. If it's not on your mind, then the Bible will talk about that. Now, many pastors are wishing many marriages to divorce because they want to eat from that good ability of living things in that woman, because they are feel it, and maybe the man is the obstacle for the woman to come for private prayer. It will not cause commotion, to cause confusion. Because most women, they always call pastor. Now, so my husband do this thing. Now, the pastor say, don't worry. If he's a bad man, God will push him out. Because the pastor want to feed the woman. He want to go in total. So you see this thing. Most pastors have become a problem to marriages. That is why God sent me to come and heal the broken marriage. Like the dry bone that rise again. I want all marriages to be strong. I don't want to see our people being single. I want to see good life, both the male and the female. The way I'm talking to the female, so I will talk to the male. Please, my beautiful brothers and sisters, I want you, female, to first of all examine yourself. The life I'm living, is it a good life? Being single, is it good? What am I calling myself? What category do I belong to? What do I belong to in the society? What are people are using looking at me? Are they looking at me as condemned single mother? Are they looking at me that a woman belongs to Kokobiri Foundation Association? Are they looking at me as a Zanza Association? Think about your life. Examine yourself, the life you are living. If it's a good life. Is this good for you to push your husband away? Is it good for you to cut the cost for your husband? Is it good for Kokobiri people to be vandalizing you? And you not expect Nigerian man to marry you? No. A Nigerian man will not marry you. The reason be this. When you are being vandalized by Kokobiri, how can you expect a Nigerian man? You know this Kokobiri cassava, a big pass most Nigeria. Where dog pass and where us pass, now the same thing. And most these Kokobiri people, they all us. They are in here, they are us. Naturally. And you can't expect dog. The day he enter your body, he see and go bagger. Enough you marry this one. You collect your eguje, your money. Because the place don't pour us. It don't pour us because us don't enter. Kokobiri na us. They use message, don't disqualify our women well. Our women, we need to think about our life. Which life would they live if they give all this for they vandalize us? Our Nigerian people, they vandalize their sisters. Why business? Think about your life. Think about your life. Think about your life. When was it come on that the life you are living? Why are you bringing shame to yourself, to your family? Why? Your brother don't vandalize Kokobiri people. Why they vandalize you? Nobody can pour us. They call me pastor, and the pastor will not even tell you, say make you change from the life you are living. Rather, the pastor is encouraging you to live a wayward life, and this pastor have a wife. Women, examine your life, examine yourself. The church you are going to have, the pastor called you to get married, and the pastor can say you to call your ex-husband back again. Ask yourself, this pastor don't ever ask me, why are the father of my kids? What lead to our division between me and the father of my kids? Does that pastor ever ask you? Rather, the pastor is asking you, bring money, pay your tithe, sow your seed of faith. What kind of seed of faith are you sowing? What tithe are you paying? When is not, it has not ever one day asked you, where is the father of your kids? Get married. Because the pastor don't want you to, want to leave you to remain with one single mother. So my people, now I can't give you this so. Because if you ask me those one, any of them, look, not worry. Any women wey the guys sometimes say when they married by, for you know say those one, they don't say their body not good again. Don't put us, Kobe don't vandalize the peace for us. Because why? Us don't pass there. You use us, see us. Kokobiri, Nigeria will come enter there. You cannot, you live there. And I know the condemned, that is why I said the good single mother, don't associate with yourself with the condemned single mother, with those who are thought to be married. Is it a nice thing? No. Those women and us don't pass those women. Oh, their body don't pour out. They don't want to stay with me again. Any of woman wey talk, is it marriage by fault? Know that the woman is condemned. Her body don't pour us. That place is stinking. Hello. Call you ma. What I contribute to? Il revient. Okay. Let me finish later. Okay. So my people. So now the way they talk about, you know, say the woman don't pour us. Yeah, it's why Obodo Omori. Yes. You said your wife birthday is on Sunday. Yes, happy birthday in advance to your wife, Uwa. Yes, happy birthday to your wife in advance. I'm giving my beautiful sister, Lady Meg Agbonze. Lady Meg Agbonze. I don't insult women. I give advice to women. And I'm teaching them what a moral conduct, how to live a good life with your spouse or your husband. You know the problem of our women now. When you are cleaning the house by they take it as an insult. Lady Meg Agbonze, is it good for a woman to remain single, to be vandalized by Kokobiri, or is it good for a woman to be calling the pastor daddy and doesn't respect the husband at home? Lady Meg Agbonze, I need the answer from you, my beautiful sister. Because why? Whenever I give advice, any woman who think I insult woman, you know, because it's their body. The thing where they preach, they affect the woman. It affect the woman because the thing they worry the woman. Because now they like what the woman they do, not be that. Because the woman and what thing she they do, it affect her. The word I'm preaching about is what giving what a moral what lesson. I can never pour insult on a woman, rather give you advice to live a good life. To live a life that your family will be proud of you. Your friends will be proud of you. So I'm waiting, Lady Megabonze. So you answer that question. Many people change my topic, whatever I'm saying. They will try to frame me, but I will laugh because I know some of them are the condemned wayward single mother who doesn't want to abide and live and respect man. But you respect the pastor. A pastor is not the father of your kids. A pastor is not your husband. You call pastor dad, you need that for a pastor. How many women in Europe are needing that for their husband at home? But they rather need that for pastor in the church. Have you need that one day for your husband? Have you greet your husband in a traditional greeting in the morning? Okay, now Lady Megabonze has answered now. He said, no, it's not good for a lady to call their pastor daddy and insult her husband at home. Now you see, Lady Megabonze, thank you for answering this question. That is what I'm preaching about. You see what I'm preaching about? So you see now that I'm not insulting women, rather giving an advice to a woman. A woman cannot call the pastor daddy in the church and pour insult on the husband, and you slap on the husband, pour water on the husband, and call the cops on the husband, and drag the husband out of the home. And whereas the man of God will tell you a bad word, the pastor call himself man of God, will tell you a bad word, but you will say, daddy, you will say, please, can kneel down. Who are you supposed to respect? The pastor or your husband? Your husband. Jesus said one word in the Bible. He said, as God is the head, so the pastor is the head of the church, and your husband is the head of the home. And your husband is the prophet of your home, the bishop of your home. You first of all respect your husband, the man that put you at home, before the pastor. Many women will trade their man, the man can't stop them from going to that church because they know that they feel something from the pastor. Only the touching when the pastor they touch here. And because of the pastor, the way they twinkle little star. Because when pastor put out for here, from here, he can't come there here. He go say, he go put out for belly. He go not say some pastor are good in putting hand on women's stomach. Because he put out for the stomach, he said, I be go put one there. I band it, the other hand, they twinkle here. If they twinkle and see on this side of come here. If they pray, the woman gonna feel down. You know these women now, the woman no, the time when the woman take shot, you know say the woman won't come. When the pastor twinkle, you say, but the woman go for that time, the pastor don't imam. So that kind woman, you don't respect the husband again for us. Because the pastor don't go by the pastor that like this and the you will see women don't wear sexy thing. I greet you, Jim Ike Ukobo. So today, I can't tell you now. Women will value pastor more than your husband. War to you. And it's a curse. Why? Your husband is the head of the home. Yes, I'm advising women to correct their mistake. Yes, and their mercy king. For them to correct their mistake, not twisted, no. Because the mistake need to be correct. Because a lot of women, even reading the Bible, so anybody who refuses to take correction is stupid. My people, this is me. We hear the talk show. The Kokobiri master. Now can't give you this advice. So, now be today's program. I can pass. Make our women deviate from the lives they are living and live a good life. Many people don't know. Thank you, Paula. If your husband bless you are blessed for life. That is true word. When man calls you, you are called for life. When your husband bless you, my wife, you have been so precious to me. You have been nice and faithful. You are a virtuous woman. I hereby bless you from the bottom of my heart. As the man bless you, my dear woman, the blessing will follow you. When a woman is faithful, a man can do anything to please you because you are faithful. But when a woman is not submissive, is not loyal, the man will look you like non-entity, like a married woman that belongs to a Zanza association. Your many women are married, but they are still being vandalized. Those are the women that belong to a Zanza association. My people, let's leave a good legacy down for our children, especially women. Your daughter, the life you live, your daughter will emulate that. Your daughter is watching you. My mama was being vandalized. Then let me test what my mama used to do. And when your daughter tests it, after the testing, listen, we may get this in one of your daughter must carry that character. It is better to change and call your daughter, my daughter, the life I was living, it was not a good life. I have asked God for mercy. Please do not emulate this bad character of mine. Take the good one. A good mother will always was lecture children. Please, my people, I want you all to try, examine yourself. The life I'm living, being a single mother, is it a good life? The life I'm living, allowing Kokobiri to vandalize me, am I living a good life? These same people, Kokobiri, are them their sister being vandalized by our brother Nigeria? Ask yourself. We the Nigeria, we know they see their whole they vandalize. But they go vandalize our own. At the end, we think about this thing. Which eye the cemetery they look us will be mad. They go to use bad eye they look us Nigeria men. They are not ashamed of themselves. We vandalize their women, we spit put, but they keep their own. Why can't we our women change from this attitude and live a good life? Then we, the Nigerian men, will be proud of you. It is because of the lifestyle some of our women choose to live. That is why our men choose not to get married to them. No man wants to marry a woman that will bring shame to his family. The family will not be ashamed. Vandalize. Which is very, very bad. A man needs to examine himself before getting married to any European women. Nigeria based in Europe. Search and watch the woman well. Is this woman will be a good wife? If this woman have a child for me, get back out, I can't see teach the children. Or this woman will call costs for me. This woman will take me as number one. Then I will take her as number one. My people, let's change. Let's change. Hello, you get program? Hello? 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 Il est programme là, vous hein? Oh, ba ne no de ni ai ma mu ne no de na wa ba gwa mi no de gwa woni mu ne no de. E ile program ya fi ya true ne ni wa ti no ba no ni amuja. Ni ati no. Muja ni wa tin no. Mu ne no de ne ni ha. Ide ni ti amuja well you state we. E na mu ne. Ide ni ti ni ye no ba la de. Mudia nyaro mi no by 351 23 22 884 the number for me the second one wa 351 277 06 71 what your number if again immune no then yes 0671 yes the second one you know say the first one even down yo yes yes or you know okay Osazuwa immune no question. So my people, I'm sorry for the disturbance when I received call. I'm sorry. My people, give us something where I bring come for Nigeria for them. So now I can't call him, I can't collect. So my people, wetin I dey talk about so na very good advice I can give everybody. Make we all change and live a good life. And if we live this life, we will see joy. I don't bring this issue today. Please, our beautiful single mother, I want you all to live a good life. We know we get good single mother, but the bad one don't let us know the good one. Why? Because this bad one, now then they talk, they happy to become single, but then they shame. Because you know what I mean? What you want to know? What you want to need to know? A condemned armed robber. We always want people to be like him. Same goes to a condemned wayward single mother. We always want people to be like him. He doesn't want to die alone. He don't want to make the shame dey alone. He want to make the shame dey with everybody. Say all of us na one group. Na I make some women. This single mother, because them na bad one. Why the good single mother we give advice? Because she's not happy. She's not destined to remain like that. And those kind of women, God will send a life partner for those single mother. Because they know actually it's not good for she to be alone. It's written in the Bible, say time will come, a man will leave his spirit and the woman, they will become one. You know, say woman will call a woman to be vandalized by Kokobri to become one. Right? So this is the kind of life I want our women to live a good life. I don't want us to live a wayward life, a life that will bring shame to your parents. I have come to give advice. If you know you dey call pastor daddy, from today stop and not dey call pastor daddy. If you know you dey lead down for pastor, you know dey lead down for your husband, stop it. If you know, if your pastor say come sweep house immediately, come do one, and you know they give your husband, if he eat, water to wash hand or water to wash hand if you want eat, my dear, think about your life. No, you are the woman I'm talking about. A woman will respect man, will respect pastor. If now you be, no, now you are the talk to now. You will they look me like anya. You now they talk to, change from your ways and live a good life and respect your husband, respect your fiancé. That pastor what you lead down for. You get wife. Can the pastor wife come and kneel down for you? Can the pastor wife come and kneel down for your husband? Are you sick? Are you sick? Are you sick? That my wife want kneel down for the pastor. Pastor wife will kneel down for me. Yes. Yes. If the pastor touch my wife, we start touch the pastor wife. Wait, nonsense. And they come with another topic. My next topic: a woman when they touch her waist, where they give married woman where they give people the touch. I'm coming back on that one. Please, because why? We know they see truth for most of Nigerian pastors. Most of them are fake. Fake. We have good one. They don't care about the poor. They used to enrich themselves. My people, this is my message for you. God bless the listener. God bless the doer. And God also bless those who don't want to stick to this advice. God will still bless and change them to examine and think what I'm preaching. Is it true? Am I talking about? And God bless you. And you, the sharer, God bless you. Don't always be the listener, share, and be the doer of this message. And as you do, God will richly bless you. Have a wonderful day. So I pray to you all. In Jesus' name. Does somebody want to speak? Hello? 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 Hello, Mama? Oh, yes, sir. This. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yes. So at the end of the day, when I went to be a money and Jamie Rudiga, Sigo Monda, because we met with Boga Ujimoto, who came with Ugualo. Okay. Okay. Mama. Okay. Okay. Yes. So yes. Okay, another one I know where Mama. If not, ni digwene pastor, digwene that from why but not that for but a pastor to daddy a book over you do no again. Because the pastor not preacher in the so a pastor preacher where if you are a woman here, because the church of you give me daddy, this money, daddy, this. If you know they call your husband daddy for us, you are a useless woman. Yes.
A pastor preacher, I think maybe Anna. This is pastor, a pastor can now, or walk now. When you go to church, you call your pastor daddy, you go home, you call your husband by his name. You are a useless woman, and the Spirit of God is not dwelling in you.
That is true. Right. Yes. So everybody calling you putting a very to see you and come to see mother at the end of their life, and it's very bad. Which is very bad. Yes. Thank you very much. I really appreciate you. Because oh, you know. Yes. I made you go. I got all children for us. I have here. Ìsúwé mo ní ọdún fẹ́ wé bó náà lóye yé single mo dáwé ojú mẹ́ ní ìtàfí àfi àjẹ́ wé bó fẹ́ ní ìríyàn nìkú ọdún rí àwé bó wà náà. Ìgò ìríyàn ká bí sí àjẹ́ wé bó. At the end of the day of the foreign of the marriage of one, Evani Akaria, woman, Ematakeria, not the matter of army for Yajiko. Arian, he don't have an area Vigia, a solo area, a area Vigia, wishing me a boy, all African money after the web. I'm not a Panama no Stekopia. Hello, Unage. Hello. All right. No, sir. Well, so sorry. No stage of water. So the man preaching any map or preacher that or my happy man, my happy man. Oh, no happy man in a way. The money that we have here will beat me. Because my son, my dad, I have beer with me. So ni mala ni makaka boy bude ni meriere ni magbo yo koto mo na won pakoko ba koko loho ama we na won pakoko agi maya ku pe omo we ra ni akugbe na gba omo eri na mi aye to na tebe pe ne baba na tebe mu ne o no what's ni ala o de ni me wari jo ni wo ri mo ri ya bo ri mo so ni abo pe what's it tata. Yes, I really go find that pastor wey preacher because now they look and so that mercy according they said that give me listen more na hear the pastor wey talk am listen. That's why if you're a woman in this church and you are respecting me more than your husband, you are nothing but a spiritual imbecile. If you can kneel down for me and you cannot kneel down for your husband, you're not a wife, you are a knife. If you can kneel down to talk to me, who am I? How old am I? Remember when the man picked you and you love him, the time you used to kneel down for him, to pray for him. Now you can't kneel down for him again because you have gotten what you're looking for. Sir, ma, what you're looking for, another person will look for it. If you drop it, another person will shine it and take it off. How would you kneel down for me? If I tell some of you to bring food for me now, you will use your best dish, your best plate. You will sit at home, you will tell your housemaid to go and serve your husband. And that's the man that is struggling for you. Many of you women are going to churches all the time and you can see more women in churches. Why? Because most women lack character. I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry, man. You scared? Now part of talking so. He knows say most women wait then I see tell them say I'm sorry ma I'm sorry because he know women don't like truth thing. The pastor after talking he say I'm sorry If you can kneel down for pastor, you can't kneel down for your husband. If you can tumbale for pastor, you can't tumbale for husband. You no fit give food for your husband. You carry your husband go prepare food for your husband. He said you are more than imbecile. Now man of God talking so. Said the woman is a more than imbecile. The woman is a foolish woman. A woman only time for pastor, only for your husband. A woman. Now the woman can't quit tell them say "Mokuna sorry ma," because you know say na so women foolish church, but they don't come again. But the man said the truth, and may God bless this pastor. And love pastor who speak the truth to them, even though because the truth is bitter, he came out with the truth. If you can kneel down for me, you can't kneel down for your husband. If you can call me Uyedi daddy, you can't call your husband daddy. You are imbecile. Those of you who are calling weirdo daddy, calling me daddy, and you know they call your boyfriend daddy, you are imbecile. If you they call weirdo, don't know, you know they call your husband, your husband, don't want any oicy. You are a cockable. Now I tell you for that word of God. If you can kneel down for man of God, he said he's just one word. He said if he send any of his members, all these women wait there, make una go bring food for me. He said the best play now juice for me, and you don't choose it for your husband. So what are you? You are a nincompoop. Those are the type of women we have nowadays. And at the full church, if you see on Sunday, women go full church, they'll wear their dress. Some go sample their G-string pant. Some go sample and make you see the G-string pant. Some go sample so that you're going to see the nipple. Many women are saying it one. So that pastor go scream. Now that pastor say, go touch them. That is why I say I don't hate women. I love women. I've seen a man who speak the way I speak. A man of God who can preach this word. I have been dealing on this issue, but God has turned it around and choose a man also to come out to speak what I've been preaching. But people have humiliated, condemned my name, say all sorts of nonsense. But thanks be to the Almighty God, for the joy has come. I begin to see people preaching the good works that I, Uyedi Talk Show, has been preaching. For a woman to live and be submissive for your husband, and to live a holy life and live with your husband. That is why I do tell people I don't hate women. I love women. I'm married to a woman. To a woman. Why should I hate women? I have sisters. But I'm telling you the true gospel. The problem we are facing today, majority, 90% come from our women. They are the cause of the problem. They know what they are doing is wrong. For them to change, for the man to live a good life. Do you know some of these things cause setback to a man? Most men have killed themselves because of the behavior of their wife. He said it's better for you to call your husband back and apologize, daddy. I have wronged you. I'll be calling a man of God daddy. I'll not call you daddy once. Many women have not called their husband only daddy, but they call pastor daddy. Hey, daddy, man, when he my dear church here now, our daddy said we have evening service. Hey, God of mercy. What a head. My people, we should change and live a good life. That is my message for you all today. I don't preach on today, make una use and enjoy on yourself. Before you kneel down for a pastor, check yourself. Are you kneeling down for your husband? Before you call your pastor daddy, check yourself. Are you calling your husband daddy? Before you put a pastor picture on your neck and his wife picture be on your neck, check yourself. Does your husband have a picture? Why should I not decided to go and pick up my husband's picture and my picture and put it on my neck? Rather for you to be putting a pastor, pick up your husband, snap photo with him, go and wash it and put it on a container like that. And put it on your neck. That shows you adore and cherish your husband. Same your husband will have that same thing on his neck. It's better for you. Stop putting up a pastor's picture on your neck and coming out on that program. 2, you should stop it. Put your husband, cherish your husband. You need to put your husband first. Put your fiancé, not a pastor. No, your husband must be there. You buy picture, you put pastor picture, you put Suleiman picture, you put Adeboye picture, you put Oyedipo picture. What about your husband? Do you respect your husband? Put your husband picture. Any woman who does that, she's evil, she's worship and parasite. Any woman put pastor picture on neck and not putting her husband picture, the woman is worse than parasite. The woman is a nickapoo. Put your wife and your husband picture. Nonsense. Any woman who does that is belong to a science association. If you are a single mother or a single girl as not married, you have a fiancé, you are putting those one. You are erosion product. I'm coming with the name I'm going to give such women now. That is it. Weirdo Talk Show, the Kokobere Master. Thank God for a brighter new day. God bless every one of you. God bless you all. And God bless the watcher and the sharer. Keep on sharing. And as you do, God bless you. Have a wonderful day. This me, Weirdo Talk Show. Foundation Entertainment is back again at Single Mother Must Marry. Love you all. To you all. Ciao.